Good morning everyone, it's Mark down in Cornwall today. Just doing another walk. Today's walk, we're going to try to reach an Iron Age Hillfort, including a tower of Folly. Now we're in the village of Nancledra, which is close to Penzance. Now this Folly was built during the time the stories of Poldark. So it's going to be interesting. So we're going to get walking now. So let's get on. I really can help exploring these old engine houses. This one covered in ivy. It's a particularly fine one, I think. See, we don't have time to explore it too much. So if we walk down here, in this area we've got the remains of China clay works, including a collection of ruined houses that formed a small village called Poldark. Poldark means duck's paw in Cornish. So yeah, there are ruins up here. When there was once upon a time a community up on this hill. What a beautiful walk. Now, the Iron Age Hillfort we're trying to reach is called Castle and Dinas. Now, during the 18th century, a lot of the stonework was still there, but that had been robbed to make Roger's tower. So he stole a lot of the stone to make his folly for his family, just to enjoy the view. And why not? That's what I say. I think it is going to be a beautiful view, lovely view up here.
I was blue, just as blue as I could be, and every day was a lonely day for me. Then good luck came a-knocking at my door. Skies were gray, but they're not gray anymore. Blue skies smiling at me, nothing but blue skies do I see. Bluebirds singing a song, nothing but bluebirds all day long. I never saw the sun shining so bright, and never saw things going so right. Noticing the clouds up in the sky, when you're in love, oh, how they go. Blue days, all of them gone. Nothing but blue skies from now on, and nothing but blue skies from now on.
Carrying on my walk here, did get a little lost, had a little bit of a fight with some cows, but I've got onto the right track. Just gone past a couple of cottages. Absolutely idyllic area this is. And you've got that beech tree there. We've got a tiny little bridge here. We've got the stream running down. Little cottage. But we carry on with our walk up this footpath. Got the sound of the river. got the water splash in there. I used to cycle a lot. They used to torment me, those little midges. I used to cycle through those. Well, we've made it to Castle and Dinas on this hill. Just walking up to Roger's tower, the Folly he built for his family, and it's it looks quite ostentatious playhouse, I should think, for his family on this hill. Nobody really knows why he built this. He probably, like I said, for playhouse for his family. I suppose the dictionary definition of a folly is it's a costly ornamental building with no practical purpose. And I think this one has a purpose. It's got a wonderful view over Mounts Bay there, and it's got a focal point for everybody in Penzance to take a walk on this hill on a lovely day like today. It's known to have been built in 1798 by one of the Rogers family from Tressau Manor, a house on Tonkin Downs below the hill on which this stands. And once you get up closer to it, you realise how small it is. It is dark. So I think some remedial work was carried out on this in 1960 and again in 2003. And we've got something written up the top there. What have we got there? We got something repaired HJRM 1960. So I don't know how much in disrepair this was in 1960, but I think they've probably done a pretty good job. And in the distance there, you can see St Michael's Mount. Right, everyone, just going to say goodbye from Roger's Tower on this hill. Looking magnificent behind me. And if I swing the camera around, we can have a lovely view down to Penzance and St Michael's Mount down there. And say goodbye to everyone. So catch me on another of my walks down in Cornwall again. So bye-bye, everyone. Bye, bye. Now, I wonder if I can stay here for the night.